Look who it is. Ain't you got a habit of just showing up?
When I got something to take care of, sure.
Just you left, is it?
Yeah, just me. I was kinda hoping I could kill you.
Likewise.
That was Joe! We gotta be close! It's John Marston, my God!